Hello my butterflies, today's video is going to be a tutorial for Cherry Bomb from Hazbin Hotel. This is like the third time I'm recording this, so hopefully this will upload after this time. So I noticed there aren't a lot of them on here, so I thought it would be helpful to do one. So first we're going to start up with the Bunny Glitz primer from Snarl's box. Then we're going to go in with the Love You palette. I believe this is from Ultramo. I got this in one of the custom boxes for Snarl's box a while back. I think it was like a couple years ago. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe M467 brush. And we're going in with this shade right here. Then I am going to go in with my LA Colors eyeliner pencil. Then I am going to go in with this light pink right here. And I'm just putting this all over my eye. Then, where's my concealer? Here it is. We're going in with the Revlon Color Stay Concealer in Fair. And I'm going to blend this out with my sponge. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation in Fair Cool. And I'm going in with a complexion brush from Moda Brushes. And just putting that all over my face. And down my neck. Blend. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to be using the Luminizer shade. I'm just putting that right on my brow bone and blending it out with my finger. Then I am going to take this Makeup Revolution brush and we are going to go in with the highlighter and brighten up my under eye area. Again, just blending that out with my finger. Then I'm going to take my Flutterby Paint Puck from Arise Cosmetics. And I'm going in with the Artify Cat's Tongue brush. And I'm just going to spray the brush with my spray bottle. And apply that straight to my face. Some purple got on here. Oh no. It's so hard keeping these things clean. And then I'm just gonna take that down my neck as well. And onto my chest. Add a little bit more to the forehead. And my chest. Then I am gonna go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Then I am gonna go in with my Snarls Box Black Currant Lip Oil. And then I'm going to go in with my Profusion Cosmetics Ethereal Butterfly Soft Matte Lip Color in Alluring. And that completes this look.